What's that, Wilson?
Oh my god.
Here, spin us around a
What
little.
happened, dude? I didn't even see you.
Yo, this was fun. This is like
No,
being
the
at
other
the
way.
pool.
Yeah?
Can you touch?
No, we can't touch.
My car keys.
Oh my god! Hold on to him!
Dude, how did that happen?
He was standing still.
Yeah,
Nothing.
Grab his thing.
What thing?
Spin us around a little. Oh, never mind.
You got it? Swing backwards.
You guys are so helpful.
What do you want us to do?
My keys.
Oh.
I'll come to
Here,
you.
we're coming.
I'm saving you. Oh,
Don't
your
flip us.
whistle.
I have an iPhone. Please do not flip us.
Don't twist the shoes at home.
You looked like a turtle. No, don't.
Oh my God,
I'm not gonna.
You alright?
Wait, this is not even that deep.
There's a boat in the water. Yes, it is. Alika,
my
spin us
paddle.
around.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not getting this on film. How's he gonna get back in? That's what I want to know. Wait, bring us back over. Sorry. How's he gonna get back in? I really don't know. How are you gonna get back in?
This is actually kind of fun.
Yeah, I'd rather.
I mean, is my phone okay?
He has your
I
phone.
have your keys.
All right.
I'd rather be in the water than not.
I'm scared
Don't
though
put
because
this
I don't
on
have any.
Facebook.
Do you have any?
No.
You can show this to whoever, but do not put it on Facebook.
Why not?